Hello everyone. I thought it would be interesting to look at some of the best investors of all time. These are all individuals who made significant amount of money by sticking to solid investment philosophies. First one in the list is John Jack Bogle. Jack Bogle is the founder of the Vanguard Group, which most people associate with low-cost mutual funds. With his new company and a new idea of index mutual funds, Bogle would grow the Vanguard Group into the second largest mutual fund company. The asset under management of the company is close to $7.8 trillion. His followers are often known as Bogleheads. Check out his most well-known book, The Little Book of Common Sense Investing, where he shares a lot of his views and insights. Second in the list is Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is founder of Berkshire Hathaway. His investment focus is very simple: buying companies for a low price, improving them via management or other changes, and realizing long-term improvements in the stock price. He looks for companies he understands and keeps it very simple. This is also known as value investing. The asset under management of the company is close to $959 billion. Check out his biography, The Snowball, Warren Buffett and the Business of Life, where he shares a lot of his insights and views. Third in the list is Philip Fisher. He started his own investment firm, Fisher & Company, in 1931 and managed it until his retirement in 1999 at the age of 91. He died in the year 2004. Fisher focused on investing in growth stocks for the long term. The asset under management of the company Fisher Group is close to $197 billion. His investments were majorly focused on two categories: management's characteristics and the characteristics of the business. If you want to follow his lead more closely, his book is called Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits. Fourth in the list is Benjamin Graham. Benjamin Graham is most widely known for being a teacher and mentor to Warren Buffett. He is also known as father of value investing. He was also instrumental in many elements of the Securities Act of 1933, which required public companies to disclose independently audited financial statements. Graham also stressed having a margin of safety in one's investments, which meant buying well below a conservative valuation of a business. He also wrote one of the most famous investing books of all time, The Intelligent Investor, where he spells out his investment philosophies. Fifth in the list is Bill Gross. Bill Gross is considered by many as the king of bonds and also owns Heliogen and PIMCO. His team have over $600 billion under management in fixed income investments. He believes that successful investment in the long run rests on the two foundations: the ability to formulate and articulate a long-term outlook and having the correct structural composition within one's portfolio over time to take advantage of this outlook. He goes on to say that long-term should be about 3 to 5 years, and by thinking this far out, it prevents investors from getting emotional whiplash of the day-to-day markets. Sixth in the list is John Templeton. He is the founder of Franklin Templeton Group. John Templeton is the creator of the modern mutual funds. He believes in the realization of diversification and investing the market as a whole. Some companies will fail while others will gain. John Templeton was described as the ultimate bargain hunter. He believed that the best value stocks were those that were completely neglected. The asset under management of the firm is approximately $1.5 trillion. Seventh in the list is Carl Icahn. He is the founder of Icahn Enterprises. Carl Icahn is known throughout the investing world as either a ruthless corporate trader or a leader in shareholder activism. Icahn is a value investor that seeks out companies that he believes are poorly managed. He tries to get on the board of directors by acquiring enough shares to vote himself in, and then changes senior management to something he believes is more favorable to deliver solid results. So he targets in companies that are undervalued due to mismanagement. The asset under management of the group is close to $22.3 billion. Eighth in the list is Peter Lynch. Peter Lynch is best known for managing the Fidelity Magellan Fund for over 13 years, during which time his assets under management grew from $20 million to $14 billion. Currently, the asset under management of the group is close to $4.2 billion. Ninth in the list is George Soros. He is the founder of Soros Fund Management. He is also famous for running his quantum fund, which generated an average annual return of more than 30% while he was the lead manager. The asset under management of the firm is close to $27 billion. Soros focuses on identifying brand macroeconomic trends into highly leveraged plays in bonds and commodities. 10th on the list is Michael Steinhardt. He is the founder of Wisdom Tree. Steinhardt achieved a track record that still stands out on Wall Street. 24% compound average returns, more than double the S&P 500 during the same period, that is over 28 years. What's more amazing is that Steinhardt did it with stocks, bond, long and short options, currencies, and time horizons ranging from 30 minutes to 30 days. He is credited with focusing on the long term but investing in the short term as a strategic trader. Hope you enjoyed the video and gained some insight into how the very best of best made their money. Please like and subscribe if you want some more informative videos on this. Thank you.